Good morning, everybody. Another day in trading. It was crazy yesterday. Um, it was just insane. Yesterday, apparently looks like there was some big orders coming in, and the expiring same day for the 37.50, 37.55, and got a gamma squeeze. So once it passes 39.50, that was a main level. 37, I'm sorry, 47.50. Once it passes, it just got a squeeze down. And right now, pre-market, last night 15 got a golden cross, 30 MACD, 1 hour, everything got a golden cross, and 8:30 we got the data for GDP and what else? Some other data came in, and we jumped up. And dollar is pulling down, TNX is pulling down, and these things causing market to run up right now. But yesterday was the first warning that market is getting a little bit fragile, and be ready. Maybe the top is near. Maybe more sell-off coming in the near future. We'll see at open. Today at open, gotta pay attention. If for now direction is up, but as always, I mention, if you see 15:30 MACD dead cross follows with the 1 hour, then direction can change suddenly and go down. For now, direction is up, and 4 hour is still no, we don't have, still don't have a yellow bar. Once that get a yellow bar, we can run up again. We're still bullish on the ES on the daily and weekly, but that was the first big warning yesterday that maybe it's possible getting more pullback come. Maybe not today, maybe later. Next week is a short week. We'll see. Pay attention to indicators and always be ready, and always pay attention to volume. Volume was one of the big things yesterday. When volume you see spikes up, like you can see here at around after 2 o'clock, volume is started spiking up. That means the sell off, it's getting a serious sell off. When the volumes goes up, that means people are coming in with their sell order. Anyhow, pre-market 5 15 30 1 hour is upward. 4 hour we don't have a yellow bar yet. NQ 5 minutes 15 30 1 hour is upward, and direction pre-market is up. It's all about opening action. It's possible maybe it's open, jump up a little bit more, and then pull back. Maybe it goes back to a high of yesterday. We'll see. Have to pay attention in the first 30 minutes. Direction is going to be set for the next whole day. Um, do T and R. Let's look at Dow Jones. Dow Jones direction is still upward. Same thing on the 5 to 1 hour. 4 hour no yellow bar yet. RUT. Same thing, no yellow bar and red bars. So just be cautious, because we still have red bars on the TTM squeeze on 4 hours on many names. TNX, one of the biggest things, market is going more green. Right now TNX is falling below 38.75. That was a key level that it was holding up last few days, and if it goes below 37.44, market can get again more squeezy up. DXY, another reason 101, if it 101 it's almost below 101.914. Next key major level is 101.37. If it goes below that, can push text higher. DXY right now 4 hours dead crossing, is about to dead cross. One, the daily and weekly is downward. The lower the dollar goes, the higher market can jump up. Wix was crazy yesterday. Key level to watch is 1307. If it does go below 1307, market can get more squeezy. If it goes above 1373, we can go back run down again. Next key major levels above 1373 is 1479, 1586. Below 1307, next target is 12.1. Pre-market right now 5 is up, but 1530 is dead cross. So pay attention to the 15 and 30. 1530 MACD golden cross, market can go for another drop. But and if 1 hour dead crosses, we can it can pull back. It goes below 1307, market can continue running up. BTC, it was interesting yesterday. It dropped, but the drop wasn't so big. 4 hours still upward, and it didn't even dead cross yesterday on the drop, and daily just kind of flat. So it's all about breaking 45 to 60. Once it breaks it, it can go for another bigger run up. Apple 2 points higher. It didn't pull back too big yesterday, and right now is recovering. All about 196.96. or 195.84. Breaks either one can make a bigger move. The moves are very small in Apple, and the premiums are staying cheaper, and the IV is low. So if 196.96 breaks, we're looking at 197, 199, 201. As I mentioned, I'm gonna cover both sides because it's not not clear if market gonna jump up to the high of yesterday, or it's just gonna be a temporary green and then we go down again. So we have to be ready for both scenario. 194.84, if you can hold it, retest 194.71, 194.02, and below 194, those are the next major levels. Amazon showing a lot of strength pre-market. 1 hour is already golden cross. 4 hour, we don't have red bars yet, kind of flat, and daily and weekly is still very bullish. It's all about 154.18. It had a nice jump up yesterday. If it passes above 154.18, my target still is 157.82. Need to pass 155.78 strong to run up to 157.82. Again, pullbacks happen. If it does happen, 150.55, that's the next major support there. Nvidia, one of the strongest jump reversal today. 15:30 1 hour is upward, is opening above 487.99. It's all about 489.38. If it passes that one, 491, 493.88, that's the minimum we can go. And if it can hold 487, those are the supports level: 483, 479, 474. AVGO, and another nice jumper up. 4 hour we're starting getting red bars, so there is cautious there. 1131, that's a key level. If it jumps up 1131, 1138. If it goes below 1115, 1101, the 55, that's the next major level. Baba 75, need to get a 4 hour MACD golden cross for run up. Need to pass 75.37 for run up to 76 and 78. Still very bearish on weekly. We need to wait until we get a weekly MACD curved up, so then we can have a bigger solid run up. Netflix 3 points higher, above 493.38. We're looking at 495, 497, 499. If 490 can hold it, we're looking at a retest of 490, 487, 484, 484.88. Pre-market again 15:30, and a lot of names are up, but 1 hour is not golden cross yet, and the 4 hour is getting flat. Meta it's 350. It's all about 350 major level to watch. 350.81, if it can hold it, back to 347, 345. If it opens and jumps up, 354.35, that's a key level to watch. Passes that one, next major levels are 357, 362, 367. 15:30 is upward. 1 hour is near golden cross. So if you see a jump up like last few days at open, because every day it jumped up at open, if you see that, then at 355, if you can passes, those are the next levels. 4 hours kind of flat, but daily and weekly are still very bullish. Tesla, nice jump up, 5 points higher. 15:30 1 hour is golden cross. Keep an eye on names that the 1 hour is already golden cross. Those are the strongest names. 250, 255. If it can passes, we're looking at 254, 256, 54. Again, it had a hard time passing 258.93 last few days, and 260 is a key level for a monster run up to my final target, 272.93. But the weakness was big there yesterday. Every time it jumps up, it gets near 260, it gives a pullback. And yesterday pullback was big. So again, if pullback happened, 248, 246, those are the next support. Below 246, those are the next one, if it does happen. Microsoft, another stronger jump up. 1 hour is already golden cross. All about 373.52. Above that, 375.76. Need to pass 375.76 for a stronger jump up. 4 hours still upward. Daily, we'll see when it opens. It's still pointing down, but weekly is still very bullish. Again, if market pulls back, 371, 369, those are the next support. Below 369, those are the next ones. Google, it's all about 140.62. 4 hours still very bullish. 1 hour is not golden cross yet. If it does, and it passes 140.62, next target is 142.67, 144.72. Below 139.36, we can run down to 137, 136.48, and 135.59. If there is any name you're interested, let me know. AMD. For 1 hour, 15:30, 1 hour is upward, 4 hour is still pressuring down, and daily yesterday we got a dark blue bar after a long time. So AMD is a category, a little bit in the category of weak names. 137.58 if you can hold it, 135.8, 134.41, and need to get above 138.79 for running up to 140, 142.72. Boeing, another strong name due to news on China approving their one of their 730 one of their airplanes models. It's all about the 265.16. If you can't jump over there, 266.17, 267.18. 266.13 was the high of yesterday. And here's the interesting thing about Boeing. A market was falling, it was starting falling yesterday, but Boeing was still rising up. Then when market accelerated dropping, Boeing joined it. And but because it was strong yesterday and the news came in, it jumped up like 4 points right now. So it's all about passing 266.13. If that one passed 267.18, that's a key major level. Above that, we can run up to 270. 15 is downward, 30 and 1 hour is upward. Need to get a 4 hour MACD golden cross. If next 4 hour MACD golden cross on Boeing is gonna this one is gonna run up this one crazy. Um, Again, if market gets droppy, 262, 261, 15, those are the next support. Below 261, it can run down to 57, to 55.69. SPY opening 3 points higher, and it's all about 471.77. That's a major level. If it can get over there and pass pre-market high, we're looking at 473, 475, 477.92. Pre-market 15:31 hours upward. Again, need to get 15:30 MACD dead cross for change of direction and going down. If 471 can hold it, next supports are 470 and 470.12. 470.12. If 470.12 can hold it, we can go retest low of yesterday, 468 and 467.45. Again, 465.45. If we can hold it, market goes for another bigger drop. 465, 464, 463.13 is the next major level. QQQ QQQ 407 reaching. It's all again coming back, almost getting back to that range again, the range that we had 3 days ago. 407, 408.99. It needs to get above 407.72 to run up to 408.99. It's possible to touch 408.99. If it gets above there, then we can run up and retest highs of yesterday, which is a low chance happens today, but it's possible to happen tomorrow. If 406.45, that's a key level you want to watch. If it does break that one, if you see 5 minutes MACD and 15 MACD dead crosses, 406, 405, 45 passes, we're looking at 405.66 to come. Below 405.66, 404, 402, and 401.54 is can come. Let's see at other names. IWM was dumping yesterday, but again, some recovery there. It's all about 198.83. If you can go above there, 200, 201.84. Need to go below 196.97 to drop to 193.97. Roku was weak yesterday too, but doing some recovery pre-market. Need to break 88.9 for falling to lower level 86.84. If it gets above 92.09, can recover to 93, 94, 96. And SMCI, some jump up there. Semis are stronger because of MU earning, and SMCI, if it jumps up at open, we're looking at 312, 316. Below 308, we're looking at 306, 301, 296.95. Coin jumping up because of Bitcoin. 167 if it can passes, 169, 171.15. What else you got here? Adobe was weak yesterday too, but coming back to 600. It's possible to have a jump up to 606.1 at open because the 1 hour is golden crossing. What else you got here? That's pretty much on the major names. MU, it's all about 84.7. If it can get over there and goes crazy, we're looking at 87.14, 89.58. What else? Nike has an earning, I think, after close today. Yep. So thank you so much, Amnon. and NKE. So NKE has earning today after close. So it's all about 123.78. Weekly is very bullish, and daily we got a dark blue bar yesterday, but it's still upward. It's all about 123.78. If it passes that one, we're looking at 128, 132, 135. It's possible to have a jump up there. We'll see. Earning is gambling, so it's hard to predict. Net, net is very bullish on weekly, but yesterday got a drop due to market falling. Pre-market right now, 15 and 30 on 1 hour is upward. I don't have the levels on the higher levels right now, but need to my main next long target is 95.77, which is with the weekly this much bullish, it's possible to come. So it's all about passing yesterday high 86.91. If it can get over there, then it can run up to 90s and above. What else? You got IWM. I went over it, and that's pretty much it. Thank you so much for tuning in, and I have 8 days free trial. If you like to join Side Option Service, link is in the bio, and have a lovely day.